Tucked away in Palm Harbor is a hidden gem of Florida history, the Palm Harbor Museum. Once the home of the Hartley family, this early 1900s house now tells the story of the area's pioneers, industry, and culture. Join me as we step back in time and explore the fascinating history within these walls. The Hartley House, built in the early 1900s, has been preserved as much as possible. Walking inside, you'll notice the central hallway, a common layout in Southern homes of the time. To the right is the parlor, featuring an upright piano that once belonged to the Hartleys, along with other period furnishings. This room also features photos of the family and an exhibit showcasing the citrus ladder that Thomas Hartley invented and produced right here on the property. Across the hall, this room, which was once shared by the Hartley daughters, now serves as a rotating exhibit space. Right now, it highlights the surprising connection between Palm Harbor and the Duke of Sutherland, a Scottish nobleman who invested in Florida real estate and the Orange Belt Railway. His marriage to his mistress Mary at a church he built for the occasion in neighboring Dunedin was quite a scandal here and in Scotland in the 1800s. Further down the hall, the main bedroom takes visitors even further back in time. Here, exhibits trace the history of human habitation in Florida, from the Tocobaga people to Spanish explorers and into the 1920s development boom. And the small room at the back of the house was the Hartley son's bedroom. Today, it houses an exhibit about Crystal Beach, including the story of the Faith Mission Orphanage, which provided shelter to children in the early 1900s. A few special items are in the Palm Harbor Museum, including the Victor record player and an Edison Amberola, early music players that brought entertainment into homes long before streaming or even vinyl records. Listening to these devices play was a highlight of my visit. The museum also showcases vintage photographs, documents, and artifacts from Palm Harbor's early days, including tools from Thomas Hartley's ladder-making business, which was a key local industry at the time. Outside, history continues. The original well still stands, a reminder of how early settlers sourced their water. Nearby, the Grove House represents Palm Harbor's citrus history when orange groves covered the lands. There is also a wind found in the picnic area. And nature lovers will enjoy the native plant garden featuring species that have thrived in Florida for centuries, providing a glimpse into the region's natural history. The Palm Harbor Museum is more than just a historic home. It's a time capsule of Florida's past. Whether you love history, architecture, or just discovering hidden gems, this museum is worth a visit. It's open Thursday through Saturday and free to visit, though donations help keep this history alive. So if you're in the area, why not take a walk through time?